I believe reading and writing doesn't make you educated, but failing to learn, analyze and execute definitely makes you an uneducated being. Thus in 1972 the Sunbeam Group was incorporated with a strong vision to spread education that would gradually evolve among the masses with the passage of time. As chairman of the Sunbeam Group and of the colleges, I have always been extremely proud of the journey we have all covered together. Both the women's colleges have developed in leaps and bounds since the year of their inception. The pace of change in higher education is accelerating. Today I see so many empowered Sunbeam ladies, as I call them, alumni, ex-students who are already creating milestones in their respective spheres, and I consider each one of them as a sunbeam, a light strong enough to illuminate even the darkest corners around them. Let this journey continue unabated with more passion and new dreams. Let us all create temples of learning where knowledge is celebrated and learning never ends. Because, as they say, knowledge is everything. Knowledge creates the world around us. So let's create learning in the sunbeams which we are going to send into the future, into the world. So thank you so much everyone, and a great big hand to all the students of Sunbeam and all the parents who want to come to Sunbeam. I wish them all the best. Take care and Jai Hind.
We very well understand that with the changing words, we have to change our style also, and that is what exactly we have done at Sunbeam. Online studies or offline studies, synchronous models or asynchronous model, everything, teachers, students, there is blended learning. There is an exposure to the stage. Children are, especially girls, are asked to speak on the mic. They are asked to take a lot of challenges going out, and whether it is sports or whether it is music or art or craft or drawing or anything, creativity to good in academics. This is what we all focus on, and that is why we have been able to give such wonderful girls to the society. I'm sure these girls who are studying with us will have a wonderful experience at Sunbeam. God bless. Take good care of yourself.
I'm Ankita Upadhyay, a successful advocate now, practicing at the Bombay High Court. Well, wherever I am, whatever I do today, I attribute most of it to Sunbeam. I am a true Sunbeamian. I did my entire schooling from Sunbeam and thereafter did my graduation in 2013 from Sunbeam College for Women. The support and encouragement that I have received from Sunbeam College for Women instilled enough self-confidence in me to follow and achieve my dreams. Today, I am an advocate who has a responsible attitude towards her work and who is excelling in whatever she's doing in her life. And all this is only because of Sunbeam, and Sunbeam richly deserves my gratitude. And today I can only say thank you so much to all the teachers and my friends there who shaped me into this amazing person that I am today. Thank you so much.